morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Welcome back everybody and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today this is going to be a very short video. I want to explain to you how you can install the new currency strength matrix that I explained to you in the previous video. See, the old currency strength matrix, the link to the old currency strength matrix has been taken out. You know that I told you some time ago that it was for a particular company. They've taken out the link. So when you search for the old currency strength meter, unless those who have it already, you can't find it. And moreover, I've discovered that this currency strength meter has more parameters than the old currency strength meter. So this is actually one of my favorite now. So I'm going to teach you how you are going to install this particular currency strength meter, because I promise that I'm going to send you the link to install it. And I realized that most people are rather chatting me on WhatsApp. Most people, because I said to chat me on WhatsApp, so almost everybody is coming after me on WhatsApp, and I don't want to be responding to everybody one by one, so I decided to make one single video, post it here so that you all follow the same steps, and if you install the currency strength meter on your MT5 application. So if you're here, welcome. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, okay, to keep motivating me to post such videos here. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is let me close the application first. Okay guys, so to be able to install the currency strength meter, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you sign up for your MT5 account. Make sure you have MT5 account and you sign up for that particular MT5 account. So after you sign up for your MT5 account, the next step is to go to markets. You go to markets, and then you can see that there are a lot of funny indicators here, but that's not what you're looking for. You go to market and you search for currency strength. Currency strength, but you can see that they are paid ones. Okay, they are paid ones, but since you are beginner traders, or we don't want the paid ones, we want the free ones. You click this arrow, you select free, you want the free ones. So you search for currency strength. Search for currency strength, then you go to most free, and you can see that there are a lot of currency strength indicators here, but this is what you're looking for. This particular one, that is the FS currency strength meter. So are you following, guys? It is free. You click on it. Then when you click on it, you click on open. Just read some features about it and click on open. When you click on open, you see that it will be added to your navigator here. That's it. It will be added to the navigator here. So let's say you have your chart already. Then you just click on it from this. All you have to do is to click on it from this navigator side and drag it to your chart. And to ask you for some settings, you click OK. And now there is a currency strength matrix. But there are some settings you have to do. You can't just go straight forward and then use this just to trade. You could see that it's weekend, so market has actually closed. Yes, I'm recording this video on Sunday evening, so market has actually closed. But still, let's do the settings. So you right click on your chart, you go to indicator list, and you find the currency strength matrix. You see, usually when you right click on the indicator itself, you'll be able to find the properties of the indicator, but this particular indicator is mounted onto the chart. So when you click, it's still going to use the chart settings. You have to go to indicator list, which will give you all the indicators on the chart itself. Then you go to the currency strength meter or currency strength matrix you are searching for. Click on properties. Then under properties, do these changes. Go down to looking for only specific changes, guys. So you go to okay, so these are the colors. If you want to set your own colors, you don't need to do that. Okay, just focus on these important signals. Okay, here M15 look back bars, H1 look back bars, H4 look back bars. So change all this one into 10 and 10 and 10, all of them into 10, all the lookup bars into 10 and 10. Then the update interval sequence, go to 20 and click OK. So you could see that if the market was live, you will see the changes in the currency strength metrics. But because the market is down, it's Sunday that I'm recording this video, so you can't see any changes now. But when the market comes on back, you see the changes. So when the market is back, you see that the currency strength matrix will start its own reading, and we look at it from the H4 as I've already explained. So guys, this is how we install the currency strength matrix. You make sure that you log into your MT4 account. Good, I think now I'm back in line. You log into the MT4 account, make sure you are logged in. You see that I'm logged in, make sure you're logged in. Then you go to markets, and then you search for market as a search. Then you search for currency strength metrics, make sure the spelling is correct, and then you see this guy and this particular kind of currency strength, and you click on it and you click open. When you click open, it will open this session for you here, this side. Are you following the mouse? Then you drag it on your chart. You drag it on your chart. You drag on your chart, and now you click OK, and you right click, then you go to indicator list, and you go to currency strength metrics and properties, and now you do the settings as I've explained to you. But after that, you have to save this template. If you don't save it, anytime you open the chart, it's going to reset the settings. This is what most people sometimes you forget. So after they save your template, so let's go to the one I actually did first. Good. So these are templates. After that, you right click, you go to template and save template, so that the template is always saved. Save the template as, let's say, currency strength meter. You can see that I have a lot of currency strength, I have a lot of templates here. You can save it in your own name you can remember, maybe currency strength meter or new currency strength meter or whatever it is. Then you click OK. When you click save, anytime you open a new chart, all you have to do is right click, go to template, and you load your currency strength, and then it will be open. Have you seen how it is? So it's very, very simple to install. Please, so now don't chat me on WhatsApp again, okay? Just learn how to do it from here. That's why I put it here, so everybody should now come here to chat. Moreover, one more thing, guys, the WhatsApp number I put here is for only my my students. So if you are not my student, please, if you want to contact me from the email, okay? Contact me through the email daytradeforliving@gmail.com. daytradeforliving@gmail.com. The WhatsApp number is only for my my training students and people who I already know them personally. Okay, so if I don't know you, please, if you want to contact me through only the Gmail, guys, only the Gmail. If you contact me through the WhatsApp number and I don't really know you, I will not really get time to respond to you. Okay, so please contact me to the email so I know that you're a new person. Okay, so this is how we install the currency strength meter, and you see the market is down for now because it is Sunday that I'm recording this video. After 3 hours, market will open, but I'm not going to trade Sunday evening. I always trade Monday morning. So today I'm just doing the video to explain to you. Okay, so this is a short video on how you can install the currency strength matrix. So with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It takes a little effort to put video here, so please do that, and see you on Monday. See you tomorrow. Okay, take care of yourself, and bye.